Everybody, welcome back to Big Daddy's Barbecue Pit. This week, we are making you a kale soup. You're gonna love it. So we're gonna start off with browning a pound of Italian sausage and a pound of ground chuck. We're gonna add just a couple tablespoons of olive oil to this Dutch oven. You can use, if you prefer, you could use ground venison or just use all sausage or all burger. It doesn't really matter. We're mixing it up a little bit today. This is a recipe that Michelle's made in the past, and we got it out yesterday. It's been a little chilly here, so thought you guys would enjoy this. A little different, but it's hearty and healthy. So we're gonna brown these off, and we're gonna strain some of the grease out of this once it's brown. About halfway through, we're gonna start adding some onions and some garlic. Okay, so we're about halfway through on browning this sausage and burger. We're gonna go ahead and add one white onion that's been diced to the pot. And we did strain off some of the grease out of here. We probably took out about a half a cup. You wanna leave some because the kale we're putting in there is really gonna suck some of that in. We're gonna add 4 cloves of minced garlic. So add them to the pot and give it a stir. We're gonna let this go a few more minutes, and we'll start adding the rest of our ingredients. Smoked it already. Something about fried onions, man. Okay, we're gonna start adding our ingredients. We have a teaspoon of marjoram, a teaspoon of herbes de Provence, which is a blend of thyme and a few others. This is a teaspoon of sage, 2 teaspoons of pepper, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. Got a teaspoon of basil and a teaspoon of oregano. We're going to give this a quick mix. To this now we're going to add 4 stalks of celery that have been sliced. Stir that in. Now we get to the fun part. Don't stick your nose up. Don't shut it off. This is what's going to make this soup. This is 1 15-ounce can of pumpkin. We're going to go ahead and put this in. Trust me, it works. Really deepens the flavor of this soup. So we're going to get this in here. And we're going to come in behind it with 32 ounces of beef bone broth. Once we get this in here, we're going to stir it really well, combine everything, and we're going to put the lid on and let it simmer for 20 minutes. Almost forgot, carrots. Use a matchstick. You can cut your own if you'd like. We're going in with about 6 ounces. It's about half this bag. Again, give it a good stir to combine everything. We're going to bring this up, back up to a simmer. And we're going to cover it and let it go for 20 minutes. And we'll show you how to finish it. Okay, our pot here has been simmering along for about 20 minutes. Ooh, easy there, Seabiscuit. We're going to give this a good stir. You can see, man, it looks freaking gorgeous. Nice and hearty. Now we're going to add our kale and a little bit more of that bone broth. So this is a half a bag of kale. It was 16 ounces, so we're going to add about 8 ounces. It does look like a lot, but this will cook down really well for us. So we're going to add this in. This is triple washed and everything already taken care of. If you want to wash it again, knock yourself out. I'm going to put this in the pot, push it down a little. We're going to add some more stock to it, probably about half this, so about 16 more ounces. Push this down a little bit. We're going to put the lid back on, and we're going to let this simmer for 10 more minutes. Then we'll be ready to try it. Okay, we're 5 minutes in to 10 minutes. I just wanted to show you, see how this broke down real nice? Deep green color, freaking gorgeous. I'm gonna add the rest of this bone broth to this, so it's gonna be a total of 64 ounces of bone broth. It's beef bone broth. Get the rest of that in there. We're gonna stir it. We're gonna let it go for the final 5 minutes. We're gonna let it cool a little bit, and we're gonna take a taste of this. Cover it back up 5 more minutes. Okay, so we have simmered our soup here with the kale in it for about 10 minutes, and you can see how nice this broke down. This smells amazing, nice and hearty. We're gonna let this cool, then we're gonna give it a taste. Can't wait to try it. Okay, so our soup has cooled a little bit. You can see it's still steaming hot. We're gonna give it a good stir here. See, man, that is nice and hearty. And I'm gonna give it a try. Broth. See, that's perfect for a nice chilly day. Healthy. I'll give it a try. Hopefully I don't burn my mouth too bad. That kale just gives, well, all soups you put it in, a very distinct flavor. This soup eats really hearty, but it's really light. Excellent. Make sure you give this recipe a try. Make sure you hit like and subscribe. Get you some of that.